Hello friends, do you want to earn 1 million US dollars annually, year after year? You are about to see the most important video of your life, which will forever change the way you think. I will tell you about a mobile application from where you can earn unlimited affiliate income for life in a few very easy steps. Almost all e-commerce portals and websites like Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, etc. sell products of other companies and earn a very good commission. You buy clothes, mobile phones, and other cool gadgets on eBay, and eBay gets hefty commission. You buy clothes, mobile phones, and other cool gadgets on Amazon, and Amazon gets very hefty commission. Airlines and hotels woo agents with hefty commission to prop up sales. Please friends, don't earn for Amazon, don't earn for eBay, earn for yourself. Friends, do you also want to earn hefty commission of 1 million US dollars annually, year on year? This video will show you how to earn unlimited affiliate commission in few simple steps. To earn this hefty commission, you don't need any investment, expensive e-commerce portal or website, any programming skill, trained staff, big advertisement budget, office or warehouse. All you need is some spare time. You can work part-time or you can work full-time. Watch this video till end to understand the easy steps required to earn affiliate commission. Friends, to start with, you have to open Play Store on Android phone. Search for the Chamcash application. Download and install Chamcash application. This application is downloaded by 5 million people and its rating is 4.3. Before downloading this application, allow me to show you how this application works. Chamcash is a mobile application based MLM company. MLM means multi-level marketing. There are many MLM companies around you and you must have heard of Amway. So to join Amway you have to pay some joining amount for which they give you some products to sell. But to join Chamcash you don't have to pay anything. You just need to spare some time and start earning. But why does Chamcash pay us and from where does it get this money to pay us? Friends, as you can see, there are many multinational companies associated with Chamcash. These companies advertise and sell their products and services through Chamcash. Some percentage of income got from the sale of these products and services of Chamcash is distributed by Chamcash company to its members. This chart demonstrates how Chamcash works and distributes income. On left side, let's assume it is you. If you join one person, then that person becomes member of Chamcash at your level 1. You will get 50% of whatever the member earns at level 1. Now when the person at level 1 joins another member, then that member comes at your level 2. You will get 10% income of whatever level 2 member gets and level 1 member gets 50% of level 2's income. Likewise then a level 2 member joins a member under him. That new member comes to your level 3 and you get 10% commission from all levels up to level 5. But at level 6 and 7, you get only 5% income. You don't get any income after 8 level. So how much that adds up to? Now you can see in this Excel sheet that if in first month you join only 10 members and if company is distributing only $2 as affiliate commission per member, you get 50% of $2, that is $1. So you get $1 into 10 members equal to $10. Now from second month onwards you don't have to do anything. Yes friends, from second month onwards you don't have to do anything. Each member of your level 1 brings in 10 new members. So now you have 10 into 10 equal to 100 members at your level 2 and you get 10% of $2, that is 20 cents multiplied by 100 members. So you get 20 US dollars. Similarly in the third month, all the 100 members at level 2 get only 10 members each. Now you have 100 into 10 equal to 1000 new members at your level 3. You get 10% of $2, that is 20 cents multiplied by 1000 members. So you get 200 US dollars in third month. Fourth month 10,000 members and your level 4 income is 2000 US dollars. 100,000 members at your level 5 and 20,000 US dollar income in fifth month. 1 million members at your level 6. 100,000 US dollar earning in 6 months and in 7th month 10 million members at your level 7 and you make 1 million USD in 7 months. But this does not end here. All these 10 million members are part of your 7 levels. Whenever they buy anything from companies associated with Chamcash, you keep getting millions year after year. Yes friends, whenever your 10 million members buy anything from companies associated with Chamcash, you get millions year after year. But friends, what you just did here, you just joined 10 new members in your level 1 and all the members joined 10 new members each and so on. This way your 7 level gets completed. You keep getting different incomes at different level. Also you can join 10 or 20 or 100 or even more members at your level 1. And all the members at your level 1 to 7 can also join 10, 20, 100 or even more members at level below them. This calculation is based on the assumption that each member earns only $2 affiliate commission. But what would it be like if each of your member earn only $10 as affiliate commission? Sir, you get super hefty commission of $5 million. Yes, you get super hefty commission of $5 million. So on and on it goes on year after year. Now friends, let us start your journey on Chamcash. Initially, you have to search for Chamcash on Google Play Store. You have to download an open app. You need to sign up with Chamcash or Google. Fill in the details like your mobile number, date of birth, email name, etc. Now most important part, this app will ask you for sponsor ID. To join in, you have to enter the sponsor ID as shown on the screen. Now the most important part, this app will ask for sponsor ID. To join in, you have to enter the sponsor ID as shown on the screen. Now to start earning, you have to complete the challenge by downloading few apps. You can start joining new members now. Joining members will be very easy for you as your members have no investment to make, so no risk, so no fraud. You can earn unlimited income and your members at all 7 levels can earn unlimited income. All of you can work part-time. They can work part-time or they can work full-time. They can withdraw money anytime. No target, no time frame. You can make dreams come true. Again, joining members will be very easy for you as you might even get the same video with your sponsor ID that you can make it viral on social media and join in new members. Yes friends, same video with your sponsor ID. Your sponsor ID that you can make it viral on social media and join in new members. Not only that, your members might also get same video with their respective sponsor IDs which they can make it viral on social media. So to stay ahead in the group, start immediately and join Chamcash now. To get the same video with your sponsor ID, send request to WhatsApp group number +91 721 805 8401. And to watch our upcoming videos, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.